Hi guys, we are on the Valiant Lady today. We are in a limited view sea terrace in cabin number 11358Z. I got it right. Come on in, we'll show you around. So as soon as you come in, we have this closet. It just has kind of a screen thingy here. Your room controls are going to be here inside the closet. Like do not disturb, and then we're sleeping, la la la. So, and then you've got some little cubbies down here and a shelf up above. You've also got this cabinet where your life vests are, safe, hair dryer, some drawers, and a basket down here for storage, and a full-length mirror. Hello. Here's the bathroom. So this is all, this bathroom and this cabin is all one bathroom. So toilet, sink, mirror, and shower are all going to be in one room. Shower looks pretty decent.
Mm-hmm. Rain head. It's got a decent size. At least you're not going to bump your head.
Right. And then if you come through, there's a little space right here. You could probably put your luggage there if you wanted, but there's a trash can. And refrigerator is going to be right here. Teeny tiny refrigerator. Glasses. You've always got water. Here's our bottle opener. And since we're on Valiant Lady, we get a purple octopus. That guy, if you want to take him home, is $12. It's a $12 octopus. Phone lamp. You can dim this lamp if you want to, like that. Cool artwork desk. Some little cubbies down here and a chair. Your iPad for your room controls is going to rest on its charger right there. And then we've got some little hooks up here. We brought some magnetic hooks that we'll put on the wall also. And then this is a cozy little space. So since it's at the front of the ship, it's kind of angled a little bit. And we've got a little desky area, a table. This is a queen size bed. It's a little tight right here. If I go sideways, I can barely fit. And this corner is pretty tight too, so be careful of that. And then we've got another full-length mirror over here with USB plugs, regular American plug, and then light switches. You can dim your lights up here. And it goes to the lamp on the desk too. Magic.
Magic.
Okay. This is the part that's different from a lot of the cabins that have a sea terrace, because this has a white wall, solid wall, instead of the glass wall. But we kind of think it's cool, actually.
I actually do. Yeah.
This one does not have a hammock, so just be aware. But it has a swinging chair. It doesn't swing the whole way because it's anchored on the bottom, but I will show you. So if you look at the bottom, it's anchored on the bottom, so it doesn't swing the whole way, but it does have some movement. You can swivel it around.
You can swivel, a little bit of motion.
And we have a bar table.
Bar height.
So you can just like stand here, and also this chair is bar height. Chair. So I'm short, and I can still see out.
Yeah, bar height, so you can see out.
You can see out.
And there it is.
Which is pretty awesome.
And we are right under the bridge.
Yeah, so that's the bridge.
There's the bridge.
Right up there.
There's where all the magic happens.
See, I was a little concerned that it was going to be short and I was just going to be looking at that wall underneath there, but they really thought about it. Gave you a bar height stool and a bar height table.
Right.
Which is cool. This still sits kind of low. If I sit here, I can still see out, but I kind of have to
strain, crane, look around.
Yeah. And also, there's room underneath here. You can like hide your ice bucket or whatever.
Oh my God, we can hide something in there, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Super cool. I like it.
Cool. I do too.
Come on in.
There's like a cool little like table thing here where you can set your water bottle at night. And then these lights do turn on and off as well. So yay.
Yay. I think we're going to be quite comfortable in here.
So yeah, I think it's going to be good.
I like it.
It feels really cozy.
It does.
Yeah.
I don't feel cramped though.
No, I don't
It's
feel
cozy,
cramped.
but not cramped.
Hopefully you won't trip over the corner of the bed.
I've done this
in the middle
before.
of the night.
In case you didn't know, all the sea terraces are close to the wall and the TV.
They are, yeah. Also, make sure if you open the balcony door, when you shut it, it has to be locked. In order for your, it's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it has to be locked, which means it has to go to, like, locked like this.
Locked, or your air conditioner will shut off.
Air conditioner will automatically turn off when the balcony door is open and unlocked. So be aware of that.
So if your room's hot, check your door.
Exactly. Hey, so that is cabin
11358Z
on the Valiant Lady.
Yes, we'll have it down by the time we get through.
Yeah, and we'll also let you know later in our sailing if we feel any more like motion from the ship,
Right.
since it's in the front, you know, things like that.
People say the midship is the best place. I prefer like back.
Right. We usually prefer an aft cabin.
We have had front cabins
but
before.
you know, we thought we would try this just to see how it is.
So we can let you know.
Yeah, in a couple of days we'll let you know how comfortable the bed is, quietness, things like that. I like it because of the walls on either side. It looks like your balcony is going to be really private. Yeah. Which is pretty cool.
It really is.
Yeah.
It is.
All right. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions for us, put them in the comments below.
There you go.
Yeah, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Ding the notification bell so you know when we post a thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up.
If you enjoyed our video, and we will see you guys next time.
Okay. Love you. Bye.